picture. You erased it. Like that button?
That was fake.
Yeah, look that up then.
No. He's gonna call her that.
I know.
I was gonna end up calling Lucy that name. That'd be like, yeah.
Badass.
That'll be his first word. Badass. You know?
Probably.
What was Blacker's name? Was it really Cat?
Not nice. Oh.
Really? Say hi. Hello? Hello? You say like Japanese people go mushy mushy.
Yeah. Say hi. Ryder, say hi.
Say hi, dude. That's what he said to that kid underneath the table yesterday at the party.
Yeah.
I mean, plain as day.
Look, it says
And
I
the
love
kid thought he could
Ryder.
talk.
I love Ryder right
Said all
there.
these words,
Huh?
huh?
We don't need to go on the internet. I was looking at pictures of him yesterday, right after he was born.
Mm-hmm.
God, he's so little.
He's gonna be tall.
Yeah.
He's gonna, I mean...
He's really big. He's almost 16 months now, isn't he?
Well...
Yep. It's a big boy, you're almost 2. Why do you keep trying to get on the internet, man?
He's 16 months, he'll be 17 when it's off.
Mm-hmm. Let's see what Sammy said about your picture. What'd she say? Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh, isn't that nice?